Hey everyone, welcome back to the Trudeau Blackcast. If you are someone who loves writing and dreams of making money from it, this episode is going to be super helpful. We are diving into the top 7 high paying content writing jobs for freelancers in India. With me today is Shalini, a content strategist in Trido School who has worked with brands across the globe. Welcome, Shalini.
Thanks. I'm excited to be here and talk about how writers can turn their skills into high paying opportunities.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly are content writing jobs?
Great question. Content writing job involves creating blog posts, website content, emails, social media posts, basically any written material brands use to engage with their audience. These jobs are mostly remote, flexible, and in high demand. I just want to give you a snapshot of what are the work types and the details on it. Let us just start with work time. So, related to content marketing, it can be remote, flexible, especially you will be getting projects per hour, per words. In case of who are the people who are hiring these content strategies or the content marketers are nothing but startups, agencies, influencers, and also the YouTubers. And I really want to give some popular niches right over here. Mostly it is health, finance, travel, tech, and lifestyle. And what are the important skills you need to start your profession as a content writer? The basic thing is you should be knowing how to write in English, basics on SEO, storytelling, and research.
So, what are these top paying writing jobs every freelancer should know about?
Let's break them down one by one.
Blog writing sounds basic, but is it still a lucrative option?
Absolutely. Let us start with the first content writing opportunity. It's nothing but blog writing. It is a beginner friendly but in demand job. Most companies have a blog strategy to drive the traffic. Let me just give a simple framework AIDA: attention, interest, desire, action. Every blog should follow this. And obviously, the income potential for the blog writing is around like 1500 to 15,000 per blog based on the niche.
What's the difference between blog writing and SEO writing?
So, second is nothing but SEO writing. SEO writing is a blog writing with strategy. It uses keywords, search intent, formatting for Google rankings. Now, I will just give you a simple formula: KISS plus BERT model writing. Keep it simple and structured plus Google's algorithm preferences. Obviously, you should be knowing the terms related to the Google algorithms. You would be just having around like 3,000 to 10,000 per article because it is a SEO optimized content writing.
Social media seems short form. Can it really pay well?
Definitely. As you say, the third content writing job is related to social media content writing. Brands pay for strategy, captions, scripts, content calendars. It's about consistency plus engagement. Follow the 3E rule: educate, entertain, and engage. Obviously, you can earn around from 5,000 to 50,000.
Is email writing still effective in 2025?
Yes, absolutely. Email marketing has 4x higher ROI than social media. That is why this is one of the key sources in content marketing, especially in the jobs of content writing. You're writing welcome emails, promo emails, and newsletter. Let me just clear over this framework: PAS: problem, agitation, solution. This works well in sales email.
This one sounds tough. Who is it for?
Obviously, you guys are waiting for another job opportunity in content writing, and this is seemingly very tough. This is for detail oriented people who can explain complex ideas simply. Think manuals, user guides, software documents. So, this is kind of a technical writing. Teach like a fifth grader, clarity over jargon. Obviously, you can earn a lot as a technical writer. So you can earn around like 10,000 to 15,000 for a project.
This must be all about product descriptions.
Exactly. So the sixth content writing job is on e-commerce content writing, but it also includes landing pages, category pages, and also the buying guides. You should have this mini formula in your mind. Fab. Features, advantages, and benefits. For each and every product description you write, you will be earning around 500 to 2500.
Microcopy. That's a cool niche. What's it like?
Yeah, the final one is nothing but UX writing and the microcopy. You're writing small but impactful text inside the apps, buttons, forms, error messages. Very user focused. The framework you have to maintain over here is voice plus clarity plus consistency. The VCC framework. You can be earning around 15,000 to 60,000 per project, obviously.
Is the freelance content writing market growing in India?
It is booming. I'll just give you three simple reasons on why. 20 percentage growth in content marketing. Startups usually prefer flexible freelancers for all their content writing stuff. And finally, Indian writers are now working with global clients. And I'm going to give you a trend alert. Specialized writing, especially like finance, AI, sustainability, pays 30 to 50 percentage more than the other niche.
What should beginners focus on?
I'll give you like 5 step path to success where you have to be becoming a freelance writing. Correct? We'll start with the niche. Always choose a selected niche. You will earn more with specialization. Example tech, UX writing, or finance. Next, create a strong portfolio. 3 to 5 sample blogs are the client work. My pro tip would be post on Medium or LinkedIn. The third step is establish your online presence. Build credibility with website, LinkedIn, Twitter, and also Instagram. The fourth step is set competitive rates. Research plus positioning is equal to right pricing. When you are a right beginner, obviously you will be paid around like 1 rupees per word. But when you just become a pro, you can earn around like 10 rupees per word. Final step is find clients and scale. You can just look out for the clients on the platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and also you can do your own cold outreach. Please follow this framework. CPR, connect, pitch, and repeat. Obviously, you should be having a repeated audience.
That was packed with the value. Final words for aspiring writers?
Start now. Pick a niche, create content, share online. Don't wait to be perfect. Learn on the go. Content writing can be both creative and profitable.
Love it. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to check out more podcasts from Trido. Until next time.
Thank you. Bye.